Ini juga keren nih. Ada sumber energi baru PLTH, pembangkit listrik tenaga hampa.
Itu juga hoax kali. Lu bacanya apaan sih? Aduh, pantesan portal abal-abal lu baca. Kalau mau baca berita yang lengkap tapi udah verified, mulai dari berita nasional, internasional, olahraga, gaya hidup sampai hiburan, lu cukup klik rri.co.id. Di situ lu juga bisa streaming RRI digital. Aduh, makanya cek-cek dulu biar gak kekocek di rri.co.id.
Teman Pro 2, jangan ganti frekuensi ya. Sore Ceria, bikin sore kamu lebih berwarna.
Pro 2, teman terbaik kamu.
Yeah, good
Good afternoon everyone. How are you today, Kakak Iren?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yes, I'm very well, thank you. But
What?
we're black.
Oh yeah.
We
Black
don't
sweet?
Yeah, black sweet. Yeah.
No.
I'm black, you sweet.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, welcome back ya to English Corner with
Yes.
us, Trisma Lorien.
Iren Amora.
Yeah, hopefully you are doing great today. Yeah, and what is that? Kinda missing teman Pro 2 ya. Okay, and we again in English Corner that will serve you an information with a topic
Yes.
that we will discuss 1 hour ahead. So you have to listen us
Yes, of
till the
course.
end, yeah. Because today we will have one kind of it can be said as
What's that?
activities that recently doing by some visitors, not only for local
only-
people, but
yeah,
also is that becoming an interest sport or no activity
Yeah.
for foreigners. What is that?
Foreigners, yeah.
What's that?
Is
What's that? We will reveal after this. So you have to stay tuned on Pro 2 FM.
Singaraja, teman terbaik.
Kamu lagi dengerin Sore Ceria, bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu. Sore Ceria.
Listen us to know the word more, and this is our topic today.
Yes.
That is about
Melukat.
Yes, in Balinese we call it melukat. Yeah, it's related to purifying body and mind. Yeah, in Bali, that usually conducted by a priest, or we call it pemangku in some sacred places like. Can be river, is it beach? No, yes, a
Yeah,
temple,
also. Yeah.
and some other sacred places in Bali. Okay, for we have maybe there is maybe after this we will show you about the pictures.
Yep.
How the melukat doing or done by the visitors or foreigners that come to Bali. They not only enjoying the tourism places, but also doing a ritual that usually done by local people.
Yeah.
What's actually melukat ya Kakak Iren ya?
Okay, teman berdua, melukat is part of the execution of Manusayatnya ceremony actually. And if we're talking about melukat, is the name of well-known ancient rituals,
Yes,
So,
true.
like Tris said before, is priest or pemangku at temple, waterfalls, and sacred sites. And melukat is coming from lukat. It means purification.
Yes, true.
And means that purification for goodness and happiness.
Yeah, it is only one aspect of the Tirtha ritual, isn't it? Which entail visiting holy site to perform ritual prayers, and then meditating and drinking Tirtha holy water. Yeah, we usually have it when you visit holy places in Bali. You will have a tirtha, from water, holy water. So this ceremony, teman berdua, what is that? Practice date back over 5,000 years back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
So more tourists also nowadays are interested what is that, having a spiritual experience when they come to Bali. And then due to the what is that, massive promotion, we also not only promote about the tourism places, but also this is kind of what's the unique places or you also unique experience that can be done by you visitors who when you come to Bali enjoying your holiday here.
Yes,
can be new
that's
experience,
right.
something like that.
That's right.
Okay, and related to Melukat ceremony, actually there are several types, different types of Melukat ceremony. We can tell you one by one. Teman berdua, there are on what's that? 7 kinds or 7 types of Melukat ceremony in Bali. The first one is Melukat Astupungku. We call it Astupungku, and this is
What is it?
To clean and purify based on the negative influences of birthday, and then the imbalance of the triguna, which influences and shape a person character. So this is we believe Balinese believe that what is the birthday it can affect someone character. So this kind of Melukat ceremony can decrease bad influences, negative impact from birthday, someone birthday, something like that.
Okay. Next
and
one.
Then the second one is Melukat Surya Yomana. Okay, and this is for the removal of any form of impurity from babies.
Okay.
Okay, a simple one. And then we also know about Melukat Gini Ngelayang. Is it difficult to spell? Okay, Gini Ngelayang for disease treatment. What else, Kakak Iren?
Melukat Prabu, teman Pro 2, you know this is to pray for success and prosperity.
Yes.
And then Melukat Gomana to remove negative personality traits like perform on the person's Balinese birthday based on the Balinese calendar every
210 days or 6 months in Balinese calendar.
Yes, and then Melukat Semara Beda to cleanse all stain from Sangkamejaya atau or god of love and his wife Sangkameratih, usually done before a person marries.
Okay.
And the last one is Melukat Nawaratna. It's known to be synonymous with Melukat Prabu.
Okay, for success and prosperity. So all those types of Melukat actually based to purify or to decrease or maybe to erase all negativity influence that affects someone's and not only to purify sometimes. Not sometimes, but the ceremony often conduct or held in. Also, we choose a good day to do this rituals. Okay, and also there are some best places, Kakak Iren, in Bali. The best places for Melukat ceremony that already famous in Bali, and also for visitors, foreigners, and also domestic. What's that?
So we will talk a little later, teman Pro 2. Don't
go
go
anywhere.
RRI Pro 2. Awas. Minggir. Aku mau lewat.
Kamu kok menghindar gitu sih? Gak sopan tahu kalau ketemu orang kamu malah menghindar.
Ya habis gitu dia kak, jalannya bungkuk-bungkuk gitu, kayak aneh tahu.
Kalau ketemu dengan sahabat kita yang difabel, ya biasain aja. Lihat orangnya, bukan disabilitasnya. Jangan sampai kita menganggap difabel itu berbeda dengan fokus pada keterbatasan. Karena difabel itu bukanlah kekurangan, tapi keunikan. Sekarang coba deh kamu bayangin, kamu ada di planet lain selain bumi. Secara fisik, bentukmu juga dianggap aneh sama penghuni lain di sana.
Iya juga ya.
Nah, coba deh pikirin lagi.
FM, teman terbaik kamu. Teman terbaik kamu.
Also Kakak Iren, Yeah, as we have said before, Kakak Iren, and this is our last session, but before that, we will say hi to friends that comment, watch our show today, Hey, this is my friend Sid in India. Hi,
Hello.
Sid. And,
In India?
Yes.
So we call namaste.
Oh, namaste. And then, how is the more too sad?
Yeah.
And some friends that watch us in YouTube and also listen us on radio digital also, and also
rri.co.id
and 105.4 FM. Yeah, this is our last sessions. Inform you some best places in Bali, as the best place to conduct a Melukat ceremony.
Yeah.
First is Mampeh Waterfall. As we said before, the place can be river, waterfall, and then temple. And this is one of them is Mampeh Waterfall, unique place for Melukat ceremony. Nah, Kakak Iren, away from the temple settings, Bali's awe-inspiring waterfall present captivating venues for the Melukat ritual, and with the Mampeh emerging as standout choice due to its secluded allure and also clear water. I can imagine how refreshing,
So
the water
fresh,
is.
so cool.
And after that, we will always refresh our mind as well,
Yep.
And then the second one,
the
this
most
is
popular,
the
this,
most popular. Have you come to this place?
Not yet.
Not yet, but you have to, This is Tirta Empul Temples,
Yep.
It's the best place for Melukat. What's that? Undoubtedly, the most renewed site for the Melukat ritual. And this is an iconic symbol of spiritual purifications and rejuvenations. And this is the temple, boasts a collection of sacred springs and believes the water hold inherent purifying properties.
Yes.
There are so many spring, and also is that pancuran. What is pancuran? We can what's that?
Water that fall.
The water that fall.
Waterfall.
So we make a line to have the what's that? The pancuran one by one until the end of the rituals.
So one pancuran, one people like that.
There are, for example, I don't I'm not sure how many panchura are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe 5 or more. So people who come there come in line, make a line, and then from 1, 2 until the end of the panchuran. So this is the end of Melukat ceremony.
Well, we have another place to Melukat. It's called Still Waterfall, Tukar Cepung Waterfall Teman Berdua. So actually this place presents a mystical ambience that captivates the soul and serves as a sanctuary for spiritual cleansing. And then we have Taman Mumbul Temple. while not as widely recognized as the renowned Temple, Taman Mumbul Temple is an equally worldwide destination.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can choose one of them, and the last is Campuhan. Yeah.
Campuhan. Yeah.
But not only these five places, yeah, there are so many places to Melukat. Actually, in Singaraja, Beleng, you can Pura Tirta Sudamala, like that, yeah.
And
Or-
some waterfalls in Singaraja, yeah. And also, we know it in Pemaron, no, Anturan. There are also place for some Melukat. Okay, if you want to know, yeah, if you want to visit one places, for example, in Bali, and then you want to do Melukat ceremony, you can choose, yeah, have or you search on website or site, which one is the best place near you. You can choose one of them because there are lots the
of
place
place,
to, if
yeah.
you're interested, yeah,
Yeah,
to have
yeah,
this
yeah.
experience.
Yeah, because so many foreigners also what is it want to know, yeah, how Melukat is,
Yeah, and yeah, after the the first experience that you can feel is being
Fresh,
refreshed,
yeah.
and also like yeah, newborn,
Yeah.
and a newborn baby, but you feel like fresh and body and also
Body,
mind. You can
soul, yeah.
when you feel angry, for example, sad, and then have a lot of problems, you can always choose this kind of activities to make you
Relax.
better relax or calm, something like that. You can always that you can try it.
yeah, because some of Melukat place is very, what is it, like damai, peace,
Yeah,
peace
peace.
place.
Yeah, far from the crowded. Yeah, and it make you relax. Yes, and also a kind close to the nature, something like that. Being close to the nature.
Okay.
Yeah, mostly the place something like that. Yeah, Kak Iren, yeah, in the place that really enjoyable.
So there
You want to
is
try?
Wow. yeah.
You want to try?
Yeah, actually we will go last week, next week.
Next week.
What about next week?
Next week? Yeah. Next week is full moon.
Yeah.
You can choose one
Oh, yeah?
best day or good day to conduct these rituals.
Okay.
So what you want?
This one comment from your friend, maybe Akil.
Sweet.
Akil.
Oh, Akil. Yeah, this is my friends also. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah. This can be also a best choice when you visit. Not only visit because as we before said, also not only
Yep.
beaches in Bali. Yeah, not only tourism places, yeah, and art and culture performance, but also this is kind of attraction or activities that can be tried. Yeah, to what's that? Yeah, something new experience. So you can tell to your friends or family after you finish your holiday in Bali.
Okay, the important thing that when you come to Melukat, don't forget to know
Bring-
the what is it? Tata tertib.
The rules.
The rules,
yeah.
yeah. Like wearing saru, like that,
yes.
yeah.
And
Wearing
also
kaman.
some equipments also you have to bring. Yeah, some of places for Melukat also
Yep.
ask you to bring kind of canang sari or
Canang,
offerings, something like that. But don't worry. Usually, yeah, near the places or there are already the sellers.
Yeah, so you can buy, yeah.
you can buy. So no need to what's that? A lot of preparation. Yeah, they are ready on the site.
On the side,
Okay.
yeah.
It's time to
Yeah.
Say
Okay.
goodbye. Yeah, because the time is up. It means that we have to say goodbye to you. But don't forget to listen us next week because we have another topic to be discussed, and also as I tell to you for teman Pro 2 and also who is that?
What is
Oh,
that?
you,
For you?
corner.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time for me, Tris Mallory.
Dan Amora, so once again, don't forget to try Melukat ya as your to-do list when you come to Bali,
Yes.
especially.
Okay, we
Thank
say
you so much.
Thank you so much, and also have a nice weekend.
See you next week in
Bye-bye.
English Corner.
Yeah, listen to know the word more, and bye-bye.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu.